Looking for the fuse box in your Citroën C8, 2002 to 2008? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Dashboard fuse box. The dashboard fuse box of the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008 contains fuses that safeguard various interior and convenience systems, such as the radio central locking and accessory sockets. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008 houses high amperage fuses that safeguard critical systems such as the engine management, ABS, ESP, ignition, headlights, fuel pump, and cooling fans. Fuses on the battery. On the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008, there is a set of high amperage fuses mounted directly on the positive battery terminal, housed in a protective fuse holder. These fuses protect heavy-duty circuits, such as the alternator, starter motor, ABS ESP unit, power steering pump, cooling fan. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.